Shannon's 1949 Gypsy and a 1953, was it? 56 International truck, and a bunch of motorbikes on the back. Just packing up from the Allora Heritage Festival. I'll give you a tour around.
It all fits.
It all fits in the end, that's it. That's so cool. Check out this truck. Not bad. Love it. Tony was just telling me, I told him that I had a 1949. Mine was a Crown, and it cost me $500 from the Salvation Army. He says, oh, I beat you. He said, this caravan cost me $400. Score! And it's pretty much all original inside. Still got the all the original curtains. Even the curtains apparently are original, which is crazy. That roof's been replaced at some point though, yeah?
It's been covered over with aluminium now.
Yeah, so the aluminium roof, because it's all bondwood, so they don't fare.
We didn't do that, that was like that.
Okay, they don't fare too well in the weather, these old things. Bondwood caravan. Give you a little look inside. Teeny tiny little seats and table, and that folds down into a bed, and then the bed is at the back. And look at these cute cupboards, so cute. And Tony's just packing up, so he's got to put all this stuff inside because it doesn't fit in the truck because we've got cool motorbikes. What do you got up there?
One in the middle is a 1911 Premier.
Wow.
This one's a 1950 Panther. Another one's a 1980 Honda. So there's a variation.
That is a variation. That's pretty impressive. And where are you from, Tony?
Cambodia.
Where's Cambodia?
Just 40 k's towards Swimba.
Okay, so not far.
Not that far.
Not that far. That's cool. And Tony was saying he does a lot of vintage motorbike stuff, and the van is perfect for that. So awesome. Hooking up and heading home. Where you've been with this setup?
Just with the ute, we've been to Western Australia and back through Kalgoorlie to Ayers Rock via the Great Central Road.
Yeah.
And we've been to all over Tasmania and up to Ayr and back through central North Queensland and to heaps of motorbike rallies and all over the place.
Neat.
Yeah, it's been fun.
She's a well-travelled truck.
Yeah.
And what engine's it got in it?
Daihatsu.
A Daihatsu engine?
Yeah.
Huh.
Uses about a quarter as much fuel as it used to use for the international one.
That's true. Yeah, good thinking. No spare tank or anything either.
Yeah, it's got dual fuel tanks.
It does have dual fuel.
It's got water tanks, it's got dual batteries for fridge.
Yeah.
It's got lots of things.
That's awesome. Thanks for sharing it with me.
That's alrighty.
What a treat it was to see Tony with his awesome little Gypsy Super Gem 8-foot caravan. Very rustic and very original, but well used and well loved. And as much as I love a beautiful restoration, it's really cool to see an old truck and an old caravan being used like this. And yeah, it was a real pleasure. Absolutely gorgeous little thing. Reminded me a lot of my 1949 Crown Rosie, so it was quite sentimental.